Morning guys, so the plan is for today, I'm gonna trade with the rest of the guys, and once we are done, I'm just gonna finish packing up and everything, and then we should be ready for our flight. I missed it. We had a crazy spike. I think I recorded this. We had a crazy spike, hit TP just like that, right? Nice and easy, but I missed it. So I had to leave slightly less. Oh, that would have been like 4 bags, man. It's fine though. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. We'll take it, we'll take it. We'll take the 3K for today, man. We'll take it. Now, it's time to go get a haircut, I guess, and then get ready for this flight. We're just going past security and everything now. We're pretty much all good. So now it's pretty much time to buy a few bits and bobs. And then we're gonna jump on a flight. It's literally 8 PM now. I don't know why we left so early, man. I've been out of my house since 2 PM. But I can't wait to land though. I can't wait to actually get to Nige and finally start enjoying the food, the heat. Yeah, man, the heat is what I'm looking forward to the most. It's been way too cold in UK. Say less. Yeah. Say less. You know they cook. This was the main one they worked on. This is crazy. Yeah, now this is different. The better learn is one. Must have plants in there. Oh my god. Yeah, they're really trying to do it all. So, finally arrived, man. I am tired, I'll be real. The time is literally 9:15. Boy, I don't know how long it's been since I started this whole shoot, but finally landed. I don't know if we're even gonna sleep. There's still a few things to do, but finally arrived though. Place we're staying looks pretty good. I've got so much cash on me at the moment as well, like it's crazy. I haven't even spent most of it, but bands on bands. I don't know how much this is, but anyway, we're gonna do a lot of shopping, a lot of, bro, I'm baking on this holiday. That's why I'm here, just to chill, take time off. We're still gonna be trading. All of this is sponsored by GU, man. GU has been killing it for the past couple weeks. But anyway, look at how tidy my spot is, yeah? Nice and organized. I got my trading set up ready for the mornings. My suitcases are clean. My shoes are nice and clean and ready. Look at this, yeah? And then look at your boy, yeah? Look at your boy, look at your boy.
I'm trying to see.
Look at your boy, look at your boy. Look at his. What? Everyone knows what? That you do yours afterwards. Alright. So, the plan is now, we're trying to go and get some food at night time. Something called ewagwai and bread, right? Basically beans, but not like baked beans that we're used to. We don't really know where it is. We asked someone, they said it's like a 20-minute walk. So we're gonna see if we can find a lady. Does the light not work here? But there is a little pool here. Bro, we are about to chop. We are about to chop. Ooh, it's nice and cool in here, boy. There's bread there. Oh, this is a spot. Alright, morning guys. Today was a bit of a rushed morning, but we are heading to see some houses, I think. Need to get some massage done, or pedicure, manicure, whatever it is. And then just roam the streets. So I'm not too sure what we're doing yet for the day, but we're just taking it as it goes right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go man.
Nah, you go first.
Go man. Go.
Son, go first.
Go man. Wait, its neck is falling off. Is that a cloth? No, the front one. Look at the front one.
You whipped his tail.
Nah. Go, bro.
Go.
Where we going? Are we going right?
Yeah.
Dude, if it just humps me, yeah. Where am I going? Here. Oh my god, bro. Goodness me, fam. Them things are gonna get slaughtered in the next couple of days, innit? The next couple of days, basically, we're gonna have the proper event coming up, because I'm kind of here for memorial as well. I think my friend's grandma, dad, basically. So all the siblings, everyone's here, basically. So that's kind of why we're here. So we got some guy here that's gonna make suya for everyone. It's gonna be a big occasion. Everyone's gonna be there. Morning, guys. So right now it is Monday morning. this might be my only day to actually trade this week. So right now I'm on the charts with the rest of the team. We have a supply zone already very, very early in the morning. Literally, I just jumped on the charts. It's been 6 minutes. So if this setup does hold, then we're good. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. So right now we have this supply zone right here. We're waiting for a break. Okay, so we just hit the zone. There we go. Boom. So right now I'm just waiting for that entry confirmation. If we do, I'm looking for shorts probably down here, but we're gonna see if this holds though. I want this fair value gap to be filled actually, since we're getting close to it. So pretty clean setup. We'll see what happens. So we're still yet to get an entry right now. Price is extremely bullish, just pumping up that zone. If we don't get any from there, then fares, you know, we'll just look for another setup. I'm not mad at it, but hopefully we can, so we can be one and done nice and quick. I love it when I'm not on the charts for too long, to be honest. So as you can see, we don't want to pass this line in general. If we do, then okay, that's a nice rejection. If we do, then this setup is no longer valid, to be fair. So we want to stay above, we want to stay floating above there. All right, so as you can see, didn't get my entry confirmation. The zone is not valid, so now we'll be looking for another setup. Low key, maybe G is going to be bullish today actually. As soon as London session started, you can see prices just been shooting up, so we might now start to push up deep this way, you know, sweeping liquidity from Asia session. This is pretty much just a small aspect of the day, of my day sort of. Hasn't really changed, even though I'm in a different country right now. Right now, whilst we're waiting for a setup, because we still don't have any, it's been about 39 minutes since I've been on the charts. I am pretty much just editing, going through some videos, making sure, okay, hold on, hold up. I think we have a trade. Right now, my biggest problem, right, is the Wi-Fi isn't as quick as I'm used to. Kind of have to wait for some stuff to load a little bit, which I'm not, you know, familiar with, because we do have that luxury of just click stuff and then they usually happen. Okay, so right now we have a setup and play. If it does hold, make sure my magic key is ready. Okay, so we have a good rejection right off the bat. Let's see what happens. For 80 seconds left till this candle closes. Let me just check the Discord. Yep, so I'll send this into the Discord chat right now. Ooh, I was late, slightly late on that entry, but I'm not mad at it though. But you see the benefit of magic keys right now? Holy. So let's see what happens at this point. Hopefully we keep pushing just like we did. In profit right away. We're up about $100 so far. This trade I'm probably looking for 1 or 2. So I'm just gonna make sure that's all valid. So first of all, let's look for that 101 actually. I don't like that rejection that we got straight away. So my 1R is gonna be right here. Setting a low right there. My 2R is going to be right here. This might be my only day to trade this week, so realistically I'm trying to get that win today, because I might not be able to make that money back this week. So we are moving in profit nicely. Price is pushing forward. Okay, yeah, so I'm moving in profit pretty decently right now. Can't really complain too tough. Still yet to hit 1R though, so we need at least another $800 before I know we're super safe. So what I might just do right now is just leave this to do its thing. Low key, I don't know why I get a feeling it might take a while. We're forming minor higher highs right now. Might just take a hot sec. In the meantime, yeah, I'm just going to continue going through this video that I need to upload pretty soon for you guys. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Hopefully these contents are actually bringing out some kind of value. Someone asked me the other day that they do want a few more day in their lives, and I told them that my life isn't super interesting, you know. I don't do too much, just to travel here and there, you know, work most of the time. I'm trying to get to heights that I like to work and help a lot of people. Although, you know, the income at the moment is it's good, by the grace of God. There's more that can be made, so you know we need to work even harder. The first trade was break even. Second setup now, we're up again. It's moving beautifully on the second setup. We're up 700 right now. We're up 500 now. We'll see how this plays out. Hopefully we can hit one out again on this, and then yeah, at least this trade is going to be safe and risk free. So we're pretty close, not mad at it. If we get second break even, I'm probably done. I think today is just not meant to be. I'm not going to keep chasing it. There we go, boom. Now we are up. Stop loss to entry as per usual, and now we let it do its thing. Let's see what happens. Moving nicely on the second trade right now. Super nice. Literally a tiny bit left and we'll hit TP. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Very close. Almost there. Come on, just a bit more. Tiny bit of push left. About to smack that TP in Nigeria. Our exit was actually very good. You can see how this started melting straight away. Got some W's in the chart. So that's me done for the day. Nice and easy. That is pretty much a wrap for me trading this week. I think I'm good like that, man. Cheeky little, almost 2K. Nice and easy. So plan is for today, I think we're going out, going to see some family lots, see a couple people, grab some food, experiment with some more food, see what's new that I can eat that I haven't already tried or that I haven't had in a while. And that's about it. So that's kind of my morning usually, depending no matter what like country I'm at, to be fair. Same routine, same stuff. Like I've only been trading for an hour and a half, right? Super short. That's what I keep saying about trading. Like if you haven't started trading already, you definitely want to start, man. There's this time freedom that you have that now I can pretty much do whatever, you know, I want to. And obviously, glory be to the Most High for sure. I wouldn't be here today if not. because of him. So now I'm gonna go get ready. If you do want to trade with me, I'll leave a link in the description below. You know, you can feel free to hop in and jump in and trade with the rest of the team. Man, so right now we're out. How do you say, where's the nearest like food shop? No, that sounds like you're starving. Yeah, you're gonna say that, yeah? Nibo ni ati ale
The reason why I want to stop that guy.
Where's it, man?
The reason why I don't want to go that way. Federally then.
But that's where things are. We don't need all this. Why are you looking for soap?
I'm going through every aisle.
Nah, they tucked it in though. Like you wouldn't even know, fam. I'm not here to get UK stuff, bro. Is there like fanas?
Talking about brother.
Like this?
3 or 4 of these.
Nah, that's greedy. That's greedy. That's greedy. That's greedy. The blue one.
It's the pink one, but it's fine.
No. That's the one we're talking about. Get it. The tub, yeah, get the tub. Usually we want the normal thing, but get the tub.
Well, how do you know it's the same one?
It's the same one. I recognize finance when I see it. I want to spend 1k, or they're gonna finesse us and say this is 1k.
This is not 1k.
No, look at it, bro.
This is 1k, bro.
No,
the economy's bad.
That's probably 50 naira each, and the guy's not gonna give us change.
You might as well get this. Is 1k.
That's small.
This has to be 1k.
No, are you kidding today? 4,000. I don't know how much that is a pound, but regardless, that was meant to be 1k. That was our budget, bro.
Me and Sully, the bum. We bought
4k
for £4,000.
I mean, I'll be real, I thought that was gonna be 1k. So that means the small ones, that tiny one must have been 1k. Hey, what's up guys? Day number 3, I think. Another party today. Personally, I actually don't like parties, if I'm being honest with you. It's gonna be so busy, so hot. You know, we're looking traditional today. Look at him. Yeah, look at his hat. I'm gonna have to wear that hat as well, and I'm being serious when I say I don't like hats. And the worst part is we're gonna have to wear one. What's that called again? Agbada. Oh, I'm gonna hate this. But I think we look good though. Look at the little fit check, you know, little something. What's this say? Yeah, that's how it is. It's like
Sweet.
it's like, what's that thing called?
Oh my God.
Very
So
sweet.
sweet.
First of all, we bless it. We cover it with the blood of Jesus, you know. Where's the donut?
Did you get that?
Yeah, not bad. I just tasted dough for now though. Did you know how we got bumped?
Why?
When we asked her how much is it, she paused. She didn't say anything for like a good 2 minutes.
And then after,
She was thinking. Someone told me in the comments, if you're Nigerian, is this supposed to cost 700 naira? Yeah, this is nice. Best thing so far. Chicken, I'll give a 3. Sausage roll, 5. This is a good 8. Good morning guys, so it's Wednesday, currently on the charts now with the rest of the academy lots. Trying to see if I can find a trade today. I didn't really expect to trade today, but I'm free for today. I think after today I'm probably busy over the next few days, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to trade. But right now, can't really see much going on, so there's not much to show you lot. But if there is a trade, then I guess I'll show you a lot. But let me show you what I'm looking at for now anyway. So here was a trade in the morning. I missed that because that was just around London opening, so I missed that completely. Waiting for price to go back up here, but it is pretty far right now, so I don't know if they're going to. But someone in the academy did take this trade though, so you know, it's always good to see that the guys are learning. And someone else did take this demand right here and won. And there was a supply right here that has gone break even. You can see some of the profits right here. So literally today is pretty clean, I must say. Price action isn't too bad overall. We also had someone get funded the other day, so I'm really proud. Like the team is going well. Everyone's learning. Everyone's, you know, not here to just copy trade, but to actually be successful and being able to do this by themselves, even if I'm not around. So that's always good to see. So right now all we're doing is waiting. If we get a trade, all good. You know, I'm still going to be on the charts for still got about 3 hours, as long as I'm not going out. Got about 3 hours to finally set up. So let's see what happens. So, all right, so I'm just going this trade right now. Very, very late notice. Just seen it last second. Wi-Fi is laggy, so I had to just quickly enter, man. Looking good so far. I'm looking for a quick 1 hour though. And this setup. It's a quick 1-to-1 and I'm out. Not playing too much. Let me see how much that is. Yeah, give or take something along that line. So let's see if we can get some kind of decent push, hopefully. Hopefully it's not a pump fake though. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Can't even tell when to leave, bro. It's lagging. Right now my screen's frozen, man. And I'm about to hit TP and I just hit TP. Oh my god, bro. If I lose this trade right now, broski. Okay, we're back. But I'm not at TP. I need another 2 bills. Come on, don't do this. Another 200. You know what, let me just move stops to break even, bro. Let me not risk it, man. But it'll be annoying if I go out break even as well, you know, because this trade hit TP. Look at it right here. So you can see on my phone, this trade did hit TP, right? That's what I was looking for. And my screen was literally frozen, so I couldn't even leave. We're getting a decent rejection right now, though. We need that to keep happening, otherwise it might be GG's. It might be a break even setup right now. Yeah, I think it is, man. It's GG's. Oh my god, we're still surviving somehow, though. That's annoying, though, bro. It's meant to be 1k right now, man. Oh, come on, man. I don't deserve to leave this trade at break even. I don't. Thank you. There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what? I'm not playing with it. I'm out, man. Let's not be greedy. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at the way he pushed straight to TP. That would have been 1.5. But I'll take it, man. I was disciplined. I'll take it. Let's go. Very, very close to break even. Extremely close. Like, emphasis on having a good broker is key, man. Don't play with it. Don't mess with a good broker. Like, you need one. Especially if you're scalping, you need one. Now, I'll put a link on my broker in the description. You guys can sign up and use them. And the profile I use as well. Alright, so I'm basically done for the day, low key. I can't lie. What's that? Today's Wednesday, 2 trades back to back. That's 2 winning days. You know, that's how it gets, to be honest. So now, yeah, try and get some breakfast to eat. And then we're cool, we're chilling pretty much. I don't even know what else to do with my time at this point. I'm doing to go back though to withdraw some money. And then I think today's a pretty chill day. We've got a little party again in the evening later on. Yeah, man. Hey, start trading if you're not, honestly. We're at the hotel. Time to bake off. I am tired, man. I'm telling you, this day started at literally 5 a.m. It's currently 3, but it feels like day's been going on forever. So we're at the hotel. This is one of the best hotels, I think, in the area. So first, why is the bed not long though? But it's calm, it's calm. Yeah, shower looks nice though. Oh, I can't wait to shower. The view isn't, it's not crazy, but I'm not really gonna care about it. There's already heat just coming through here, so. All right, last time to bake off. I am tired. What? To what?
To the party. The party's just started.
Oh, you're kidding me, fam. I thought we get to rest for like... Oh, I'm so tired, bro.
Get cheap.
Oh, yeah. Is it today that we're changing to 5 different fits? Oh, thank God.
You can go once or twice today.
Okay, guys. As you can see, we're dressed in another attire. I had to go to another party. That's why you're banging the plate so hard. Super, super hungry, so we ordered some... What do you call this? Pepper soup. I ordered some chicken pepper soup personally. He ordered some goat meat pepper soup. And I'm having one of these. But to demolish this right now because I'm super hungry. Let me show you guys the food though. So that's what it's looking like right now. Yeah, so let's just quickly annihilate this. So I literally just received a message now from some of my students, right? They said they're starting a FTMO challenge. I mean, they're starting a trading competition between themselves. The 10k challenge, they're getting a brand new account and they're getting it today. So I figured, you know what? I'm going to join them. It's going to be 3 of us, 2 of them, 1 of me, and we're all getting a 10k. We're going to do a trading competition. I'm not sure how long it's going to last for, if they're going to get funded, where it's going to go, but we're starting from scratch. What I decided to do is I got an FTMO account just you know, to make it slightly harder for myself. So the trick is I have to make 10% to pass phase 1. They need to make 8% to pass phase 1. Literally, it's currently 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to jump on the charts today at 8 a.m. in the morning and let the games begin. All right, so we're in this trade right now. Got a late entry, but looking for at least 1R first, and then I'll look for the 2R. And I'm liking the setup though. Really liking it. So you see right here, I'll send this into the VIP chat. I'm looking for buys. So right now, let's see how the trade is doing. So we're up right now about 100. I'm just gonna leave it and let it do its thing. Profit's looking pretty good, I must say. We've seen about $200 on here. And on here, we're looking steady as well. So I'm predicting right now that maybe price will melt here, come down again to this demand zone and continue pushing up. But we're slowly pushing up. We're literally slowly pushing up. Like the high highs are forming. It's very, very clean. We shouldn't really break any lows. If we break any lows, then we might be in trouble. But we're very, very close to TP right now. Tiny bit more. Let's go, let's go, let's go. One more tick, one more tick. Let's go. TP hit. Let's go. TP has been smashed. And we are up almost 2R on this account. Surprisingly though, what is it, because of commissions? I really should be at way more, but I'm guessing maybe spreads and all that stuff on FTMO. But I'm happy with it. I mean, decent progress after all the missed trades and all the headache. We got there in the end. That's me done for today, and we continue on to the next.